That's what health issues will do to you. So we brought snacks and water with us today.
Yep.
We haven't in the past because we were in better shape, but granola bar each and thing of water.
Yeah, we're working on getting back in shape. It's not easy.
No, especially when you start off, you know.
This is our longest ride. Will be our longest ride in 2 years, maybe 3 years for Denise.
Yeah. That's what health issues will do to you. But we're back on the bikes again. I am anyway, for the most part. We'll get back to it again. The important part is getting back on the saddle again.
Yep.